How you doing? I'm Leo Fields, Buffalo Fire Department. I've been a firefighter for a good 10 years, most of which here at age of 36. Let me show you around my rig. This side is where the officer sits. He's in charge of all four of us. The driver, the attack guy, and the hookup. In the back here, we have our EMS bag for when we go to medical calls. Our tanks, which we use when we go into fires. That's the other side. This here is a half-hour bottle. It gives us approximately 30 minutes to breathe. This side here, we have our 5-inch discharge and intake, the big hoses that we use to put out fires. 3 compartments, which contain all the tools that we need to use so that we can fight fires and save lives. On the back here, multiple hose lines. The smaller one here, we call it 1 3/4, what we use to attack initially. This side and this side both contain a little bigger lines, 2.5 inches, that supplies our water. And when we have a really big fire, we use the big hose. 5 inches, and this one is where the work is done. This is this side of our rig. Let me show you the other side. More tools. Here. This side here, we use our connections for hoses and fire hydrants. This is where I like to keep my stuff when I'm driving, so I'm not gonna show you that right now. And of course, where the magic happens, the pump panel. This controls all the water that we supply to the fire, to the trucks, other rigs, and pretty much, this is how we save lives. I'm Leo Fields and hope you enjoyed my tour. And make sure you come and check us out at the Explore More Touch a Truck event. Bye now.